Hey everyone, welcome to Get the Marvel. I'm GTM and today we're diving into the exciting world of assignment operators in Java. Whether you're just starting out or looking to brush up on your skills, this video is for you. So, let's get started. Assignment operators are fundamental in Java. They allow you to assign values to variables. Sounds simple, right? But there's more to them than meets the eye. Let's break them down. First up, we have the basic assignment operator represented by the equals sign equals. This is probably the one you're most familiar with. It assigns the value on the right to the variable on the left. See? Simple. Now, let's level up. Next, we have compound assignment operators. These are shorthand operators that combine an arithmetic operation with assignment. Let's take a look at some examples. First, the addition assignment operator plus equals. It adds the right operand to the left operand and then assigns the results to the left operand. So, after this, a becomes 8. Pretty cool, right? Here are a few more compound operators. Minus equals subtract and assign. Equals multiply and assign. Slash equals divide and assign. Percent equals modulus and assign. Let's quickly go through each of these with examples. See how convenient that is? Let's see a practical example. Imagine you're building a simple shopping cart. You can use these operators to update the total price dynamically. Every time you add an item, you just use plus equals. Easy and efficient. And there you have it. Assignment operators in Java are simple yet powerful tools that can make your code more concise and readable. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Get the Marvel, and hit the bell icon for more awesome content. See you in the next video.